Alright, what's going on, guys? It's DJ coming at you with another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to extract screenshots from Final Cut Pro. So let's get into it. First thing you want to do is you want to find the area that has the best screenshot selection for you. Go to that area, go to the extract option. Once you get there, you pick the option for the screenshot type that you want. You have PNG, JPEG, a couple different other ones. We're going to pick JPEG, and then we're going to save it. After that, there's another way you can do it. You can make a customized option under your custom tabs, but the easiest way to do it is just to hit Command E, and that'll bring up the quick access to the extraction, and then you just pick whatever you want and then kind of go from there. You can also hit Command F as well to take a screenshot, and it'll help you out as well. And the third and final option that you can utilize is just taking the screenshot by using Command Shift 4. I'm showing you that right now. You do that and it's manageable, but the thing is, it significantly degrades the quality of the image. So if you can get away with not doing that, that's probably for the best. But that's it. Those are the three methods. If you guys think this information is helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.